So, Mr. Vogel, what are we doing today?
Today we're engine swapping this 200cc engine for this Honda GX 160 in hopes for more power, baby. So we're happy to announce that the new engine isn't only making more power, but it's also doing the right revolutions. So the new clutch is insane. Now this is sort of a point where it's actually feeling dangerous to try this. Before it was like you could jog beside the thing. Now you cannot.
Yeah, you wanna put that dish in your mouth.
Oh! Alright.
So, are you ready for a high-speed test?
I am, sir. Yep. So I did 50 before and I felt like there was maybe some more, and yeah. That's as fast as it needs to go.
Absolutely. Or is it?
I mean, I would definitely love to do like donuts and burnouts and stuff like that.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you have done to make it more stable?
So with the steering, I made camber, which is those like the in. I can't remember, but that's like 3 degrees, and then it's leaning backwards 7 degrees. So it is does like having it like lean backwards gives it auto steer, sort of like if you let the steering wheel, it goes to the center, and the other thing I just did because handling of maybe like drifting a little bit, but it steers good, and it's also now level because before it leaned a little bit. But I'm pretty happy.
So, how is your picnic going?
I got my ice cream, so good.
And we got some cookies,
Yeah.
some energy drink, and another ice cream for me also.
And I realized we're missing a couple of things. Cup holders. I mean, I don't have a drink, but you have. A trash bin, sort of. But apart from that, we got all we need. We know we can travel around with this. You could even possibly sleep in this if you just put a tent on top.
That would be a great idea. For the next video.
Maybe we should try it.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Do we just sleep on top of each other, or how do we do it?
Well, one could sleep on top of this, and the other one could sleep underneath.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I guess.
How does it feel to be on picnic in the middle of the parking lot of our local store?
It feels really good.
Yeah.
But we will have a lot to use with this in the summer, I'm sure.
Yeah, me too. I thought that it would feel more unsettling to sit here in the parking lot eating ice cream, but I mean, it's like sitting on a picnic table.
No, but yeah, I agree. Today was quite a different day. We got to try the top speed of the table, which was 60 kilometers an hour, and we also went to a really nice ice cream picnic. And I just see so many exciting things with this table for this summer. So stay tuned. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.